wabarakatuh. Sayyidul Mursalin sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Mahila Madrasa, Balakal Haji Guncatpur. I am Muskan Akhtar Busra. Today I wish to share a few words on a very important topic, education. Education is the key to human development. It is not merely about passing exam or reading books, rather it shapes character, builds morality, teaches us the difference between right and wrong, and guides society towards the right path between and right path. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Qala Nabi hadis sharifের অর্থ তলবুল ইলমি ফারিদাতুন আলা কুল্লি মুসলিম ওয়াল মুসলিমান." Seeking knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim, male and female. You will see better and success in the hereafter. Therefore, we should strive to seek knowledge, to teach knowledge, and to spread knowledge. In society, no nation can do progress without education. I would like to say, in conclusion, an educated nation is a prosperous nation. Let us all move forward with the light of knowledge and for our country. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.